"Don't you have any real clothes?" The cashier sneered, loud enough for the whole line to hear. Everyone stared at the man in the worn army jacket. David just looked down, placing his few groceries on the conveyor belt. He'd gotten this look for years, the judgment from people who saw a tired, middle-aged man and nothing more. He took the abuse in silence, his hands slightly trembling. What they didn't know was that the tremor came from a night, years ago, when an IED blast stole the hearing in his right ear and the peace from his mind. The jacket wasn't a costume, it was the only thing that still felt like armor. Suddenly, the store's front door crashed open. A masked man charged toward the register, pistol raised. "Everyone on the ground, now!" he screamed. Panic erupted. Shoppers dropped, the cashier froze, but David's body moved before his mind could protest. The world went silent, just like in the desert. He saw the gunman's finger tense on the trigger, aimed at a cowering child. In one fluid motion, David lunged. He tackled the robber, their bodies slamming into a magazine rack. A shot rang out, plaster dust raining down. David wrestled the gun away, pinning the man with a grip forged in survival, until police sirens wailed outside. But when the police arrived, the sobbing cashier pointed at David. "He started it! He attacked that man! He's crazy!" The robber played victim. With no other witnesses brave enough to speak, the police cuffed David. He was charged with assault. The community called him a violent, unstable fraud. In court, the prosecutor painted David as a dangerous vigilante. The cashier testified, smirking, that David was clearly unhinged. David sat, defeated, in his old jacket. Then his lawyer stood. "Your Honor, we have one piece of new evidence." He played the store's security footage with audio. The room heard the cashier's cruel taunt. They saw the robbery unfold. They watched David's selfless, precise heroism. They saw him shield the child with his own body. The cashier's face drained of color. The judge found David not guilty on all counts. Then he addressed the cashier, his voice like steel. "As for you, ma'am, your deliberate false testimony and malice toward a man who saved lives warrants a charge of perjury." She broke down in heaving sobs as the bailiff approached. David walked out of the courtroom, the weight of a year's injustice finally lifting. Then share your thoughts in the comments, but no one liked or subscribed The Soldier.